Let me just point out a few things on the human lip before we look at the histological section. The section I'm going to show you is a section through the lower lip, cut to include the skin surface here, the vermilion border here, and also the oral surface, which will be inside the mouth. So here is a section through the lip. Most of the oral cavity is lined with an oral mucosa, characterised by non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, and mixed serous mucous glands are located in most places underneath the epithelium. The inside of the lip exemplifies this oral lining. Look at the epithelial surface here on the lingual side with the thicker epithelial layer, and now this external side with a thin epidermal layer, typical skin epidermis. The upper surface in between is the vermilion border. This is where you would normally apply lipstick. The boundary with the skin and the oral mucosa are somewhat gradual. The orbicularis oris muscle is here in the centre of the lip, cutting cross-section. The mucosa of the vermilion area of the lip has no hair follicles or glands. The dermal papillae are long and extend far up into the epithelium. They would normally contain a particularly large number of blood vessels, which impart the red colour to our lips. The thinness of epithelium over them maximises their effect. The epithelium over the vermilion border is very lightly keratinized. Continuing around the lip, the degree of keratinization gradually decreases until on the oral surface, nuclei can be seen in the cells all the way to the surface. Note the generalisation that stratified squamous epithelium usually is substantially thicker when it's not keratinized than when it has a dense protective layer of keratin on its surface. This is obvious even without any magnification. The labial glands in the lamina propria, labial refers to the lip, are mixed serous and mucous. The serous cells are pyramidal, with a round nucleus in the basal part of the cell, where the cytoplasm stains darker due to stores of ribosomes. Their apical cytoplasm is pink in hematoxylin and eosin staining and contains zymogen granules, precursors of salivary amylase. The cell boundaries are rather indistinct. The mucous cells, on the other hand, appear pale blue, with the nuclei flattened up against the base of the cells. They produce a viscid fluid consisting mainly of mucin. This material is usually extracted during tissue preparation, leaving only a foamy residual cytoplasm, which is visible here.